All right, so if you have a GMT400 and have intermittent issues with fan control, either it doesn't work sometimes, or not at all, more than likely the plug has melted for the fan control on the backside here. It's real common, and then everything shorts and doesn't work. So super easy to get that thing out of there. This stuff just pops right off, and you'll need to reach back and unplug this, and if you have four-wheel drive, unplug that, and then this thing just swings over. This thing pops right out, and 3 plugs on the back of that, super cake. And then the new one plugs right in. More than likely you're gonna need a new pigtail though for this, so you might need to go to the junkyard. I don't have a part number if there's even new ones available to buy, but find one that isn't melted, cut off a few inches, and just a few wires to wire back in, and then you'll be good to go. The connections here start to melt and corrode, and then your whole plug shorts out, and you get something that looks like this, and no fan control. So more than likely that's going to be your first culprit. Luckily replacements are pretty cheap, but more than likely you also will have to get a pigtail for this and resplice in a new plug, because this thing is fried, and all it's going to do is short out again and melt everything. So there you go. Okay, so everything works except the high function. My pigtail is missing the pin for the high, but I don't have a pigtail at the moment, and I need heat in this thing since the wife drives it. So for now, we're good to go. Hopefully this helps if you have fan issues with your GMT400. Okay, so I ended up getting a new pigtail out of a truck out of the junkyard. Oddly enough, it looks brand new, so shouldn't have any problems here. As you can see, I just cut it off at the junkyard, spliced it in. Here's the old crusted and melted plug. So we should be in business and no longer have any issues until the new one decides to start shorting out. Can't wait.